Chapter 7, Portion Control. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm April Medji Diniega. I am the first reporter. My topic is portion control in beverage. So, portion control refers to managing the amount of a beverage served to ensure consistency and customer satisfaction. Proper portion control helps in maintaining quality standards and reducing waste. It is especially important in the beverage industry, where serving sizes can significantly impact customer satisfaction or perception. Standardized measurements. Jiggers. Jiggers are essential tools used in bars to accurately measure liquor amounts for cocktails and other mixed drinks. For example, in margarita, the standard recipe for margarita is 2 ounces of tequila and 1 ounce per triple sec. A jigger mark for 2 ounces will be measured for tequila twice, and for the total of 2 ounces and 1 ounce for the triple sec. So, it is ensured to accurately measure the liquor amounts and also to avoid overpouring. Glassware. Pre-sized glasses. Glasses with specific volumes of liquor, mixers, or cocktails to ensure consistent drink servings. A bar uses pre-sized glasses for their signature cocktails. For example, old-fashioned glass. The standard measurement of old-fashioned glass is 10 ounces, so each old-fashioned glass holds exactly 10 ounces. And also for other examples, a bar may uses specific 12 ounce beer mugs for beers and 5 ounce wine glasses for wines. It's to ensure or ensuring every customers receive the same amount of drinks, and also that's why all different glasses has a specific volume to ensure consistent drink servings. Ice control. Ice displacement. It refers to the amount of space occupied by ice in a drink, which can reduces the beverage volume. So for example, if a cocktail glass is filled with too much ice, the customer may fail to receive less liquid than expected. For instance, if a cocktail recipe intends to serve 6 ounces, I realize that this can lead to customer dissatisfaction. So, dapat jud na ay ice karang saktong ice displacement para mabalance ang liquid o ang ice. Training and monitoring. Staff training. Effective training is crucial in ensuring that bartenders and servings adhere to standardized and utilized measuring tools correctly. Regular training sessions help reinforce best practices and maintain service.
Good day, everyone. I am Wilgie Tagalog. I am the second reporter, and my topic is portion control in food production. So, what do you mean by portion control in food production? In food production, portion control is a vital for achieving consistency in product quality. So, kung naatay portion control, ma-achieve nato by reducing food waste. So, hindi masasayang ang ating mga pagkain and managing production costs effectively. Kung naatay control sa ato ang pagkaon, magpabilin ang consistency. And managing production costs effectively. It is involved determining the exact quality of ingredient used in preparing meals or packaging food items. So for examples, we have here a methods as tools for portioning. We have scoop and ladles. So this is one of the example of scoop and ladles. Scoop and ladles in portion control um, are essential tools for portion control in food preparation, ensuring consistency, serving size, and reducing food waste. So makita nimo mo siya tax tanan. So kana siya ginagamit siya for para naa siya measure or like for example kung naninda ta sa mga kalendarya. So naman na sila mash out ginagamit para kung mapalit ka o pagkaon katura ilang gamiton para ma-measure para maparehas sila papantay ra. So the next one is the digital scale. are essential for portion control in food production, ensuring consistency and accuracy in serving sizes. So they help to manage costs, minimize food waste. So dako kay siya guild need ang digital skills to food portion control para ma-minimize ang mga pagkaon na dili masayang and improve customer satisfaction by delivering consistent quality and portion sizes. Digital skills are also used for receiving and inventory management. For example, weight, proteins, 6 Aussie stick or pasta. Example, 2 Aussie dry weight. So para dili siya masayang kay more of the next one is pre-portion pack. Individually wrapped items. So the butter pat condiments. The mao to ang methods, visual guides, so plating diagram, photos and finished dishes for staff preference. So mao to siya ang visual guide. So karon kay we talk about the recipe standardization. So standardized recipe with exact quantities. For example, 50 grams cheese per sandwich. So naatay 50 grams per sandwich. Yield yields calculate portion from bulk prep. Example, 1 kilogram beef to 10 100 grams burgers. So, and that's all. Thank you.